Absolutely astounding.
Award ceremony of the 2025
What a welcome.
UCI Road World Championships Men Elite Road Race. Cérémonie protocolaire des championnats du monde de route UCI 2025, course en ligne homme élite.
hagiye guhembwa abatsinze muri shampiyona y'isi y'amagare mu 2025 mu bagabo Men Elite Road Race.
The bronze medal will be presented by Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. La médaille de bronze sera remise par Monsieur David Lapartien, président de l'UCI.
Umudari wa bronze ugiye gutangwa na Perezida wa UCI Bwana David Lapartien.
In third place and winner of the bronze medal, representing Ireland. À la troisième place et vainqueur de la médaille de bronze, représentant l'Irlande.
Umudari wa bronze ugiye kwegukanwa n'umukinnyi ukinira Ireland,
Ben Healy.
It's a rock star atmosphere here, and Ben Healy is part of it. He's taken a bronze medal for Ireland. That is magnificent.
The silver medal will be presented by His Serene Highness, Prince Albert II of Monaco. La médaille d'argent sera remise par Son Altesse Sérénissime, le Prince Albert II de Monaco.
Umwanya wa kabiri n'umudari wa feza biratangwa na n'igikomangoma Albert wa kabiri wa Monaco.
In second place and winner of the silver medal, representing Belgium. À la deuxième place et vainqueur de la médaille d'argent, en représentant la Belgique.
Ku mwanya wa kabiri n'umudari wa feza yegukanywe n'umukinnyi ukinira Umubiligi
Remco Evenepoel.
He is, of course, also a champion, having won the time trial. And I think he will contemplate this ultimately and realise what an achievement it is. No shame in runners-up, especially the manner of which he took silver. That was an amazing ride.
The rainbow jersey and gold medal will be presented by His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. Le meilleur arc-en-ciel et la médaille d'or seront remises par Monsieur Son Excellence Paul Kagame, Président de la République du Rwanda, et de David Lapartien, Président de l'UCI.
umwambaro w'uwatsinze n'umudari wa zahabu biratangwa na nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda His Excellency Paul Kagame na Perezida wa UCI Bwana David Lapartien.
In first place, UCI World Champion and winner of the gold medal, representing Slovenia. À la première place, champion du monde UCI et gagnant de la médaille d'or, représentant la Slovénie.
Shampiyona y'isi yo gusiganwa ku magare n'umudari wa zahabu yegukanywe n'umukinnyi ukinira Slovenia
Tadej Pogačar.
What an amazing champion, and what an amazing atmosphere as well. It's almost hard to quantify just what a brilliant scenario has been created here. And what a great way to win it as well. Tadej Pogačar, heroic status here to so many in this amazing day after an amazing week of racing at these World Championships here in Rwanda.
The Tissot watch will be presented by Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. La montre Tissot sera présentée par Monsieur David Lapartien, président de l'UCI.
impano y'isaha ikorwa n'uruganda Tissot igiye gutangwa na Bwana David Lapartien akaba ari umukuru wa UCI.
Ladies and gentlemen, in honor of our new UCI World Champion, we present the national anthem of Slovenia. Mesdames et messieurs, En l'honneur de notre nouveau champion du monde, UCI, nous vous présentons l'hymne national de la Slovénie.
mudufasha nanone gushimira uwegukanye shampiyona y'isi y'amagare mu gukomeza kumuha icyubahiro. Twese duhaguruke mu gihe yaririmbwa indirimbo yubahiriza igihugu cye cya Slovenia.
Ladies and gentlemen, please one more time your applause for our medalists. Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez applaudir une dernière fois nos médaillés.
Murakoze cyane, twongere dushimira abegukanye imidari muri irushanwa mu byiciro bitandukanye aribo
gold medalist and world champion Tadej Pogačar, silver medalist and médaillé d'argent Remco Evenepoel, and bronze medalist and médaillé bronze Ben Healy.
Brian, have you ever experienced an atmosphere like it? It's like a rock concert, for goodness sake.
Well, these are rock stars, so yes, maybe not in cycling, but certainly at a rock concert. But yeah, look, everybody's deserved their medal today. I know there might be some disappointment, especially from Remco, but I think when he looks back at it, he'll be happy.
I am certain of it. We most certainly are. Well, we'll be hearing from Tadej Pogačar as he is interviewed as world champion in just a few moments' time. He's surely going to have to bite the medal again. No gold teeth, but plenty of gold medals. And indeed our appreciation as busy. I can't wait to hear the wheels of steel once they get engaged. Meanwhile, the protocols and the interviews and the congratulations roll on for this amazing man. My watch and my gorilla. Let's hear from the world champion, shall we? Good day at the office. 6 hours, 21 minutes and 20 seconds was all it took him to complete the task today. Plus the bit on the bike at the beginning of the day, which is the sign on it, but we get the idea. 67.5 kilometres completed.
Today, world champion for the second consecutive year. There was no way you were going to give up that jersey.
Yeah, I mean, it's a privilege now that I don't need to change my whole closet again. And yeah, I was chasing this the whole year again because I mean, especially after the tour, with the rest, with some just it was big goal, and I'm so happy to retain this beautiful jersey.
How special is it to do it here in Rwanda, here in Africa?
Yeah, it's quite special. It's been a long trip to here. It's been an amazing last few days, and yeah, just incredible experience so in overall, and I'm yeah, super happy and so proud of this week.
You knew you were going to attack at the top of Mount Kigali. That was the plan?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know our plan was not like this, but and all the experienced guys in the team told me not to go, but yeah, I was feeling really good, and I was especially on the top when I saw Juan is following, Del Toro is close. I was like, then I knew it's a good move to go with these two big engines and try to go as long as possible together. But yeah, I did not plan to go alone again so far.
You enter history even more. Now the goal is to carry on making history and to win in Montreal, a place that you know very well.
Yeah, I think next year is going to be really, again, one incredible experience in my opinion. Really looking forward for that one. And yeah, let's first enjoy another year in Rainbow, and we'll see next year.
Bon voyage, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tadej.
Thank you.
And we add congratulations as well. Well, what an amazing week of racing. Every single one of the world champions, and indeed all of the medalists, deserve our appreciation. And we'd like to say thank you as well to those of you who have been listening to both myself, Carlton Kirby, and of course to Brian Smith throughout these entire championships. Brian, enjoyed it?
Absolutely brilliant.
It's been a privilege, hasn't it, to see so many amazing races in your good company at home. So thank you for sharing the ride, and I sincerely hope